How to log into Viber with different account. Guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log into Viber with different account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. In this video, it's mostly about how you can use multiple Viber logins in a single device. So to do that, you will need to have your Viber app already. You will need to have logged in into a single account in your Viber app. There is no way to switch your accounts in your Viber app. And after you've done that, what you can do is you can use another app called Parallel Space or Dual Apps. You can head over to your app store, simply search for that. But instead of that, what we'll do in this video is we'll simply log in into your another account in your web browser. So for that, open up a web browser, simply search for Viber Web. After you search that, you will see the login option right here. Tap on login, and after you tap on login, you will be able to log in into your new account in your Viber. So if you have logged in into your single account on your Viber app, you will be able to log in into a different account in your web browser. So it's that simple. Simply type in your email, or type in your phone number and then enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, there is an option to retrieve that as well. So yeah, that is how you can use multiple Vibers, how you can log in into Viber with different accounts in a single device. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.